horse tales. It has been quite a while since we went on a road trip, but this time we have a road trip planned with a little bit of twist. As you all are aware, it's been like 6 months. We moved to Germany from India, and we've had our bits of ups and downs, struggles here. We've had many happy times. We've made good friends, but then the time has come when we're ready to say goodbye to Germany and moving on to our next step in life. So we are actually moving to another European country, Denmark. So today our journey starts from Germany to Denmark. We're doing a road trip. Basically we're going by road to Denmark. The journey is about 750 kilometers. We're doing about 500-ish today. So from our place in Germany, Mulheim, it was about 750 kilometers. So we make 500 kilometers today, and tomorrow we are taking a ferry ride where it takes about 45 minutes to reach from German border to Denmark border. Because of the ferry plan tomorrow, today we've just driving to the ferry point and stopping by there. But yeah, you've been part of our journey so far. Hope we will come back with a bang with more vlogs, more picturesque locations, more videos for you. But yeah, this is the beginning of a new start. Stay with us, stay tuned with us. We will kind of take you through our journey from Germany to Denmark. We will try and cover as much as picturesque places en route this journey. Stay tuned and let's see what we are able to explore in this journey. Areas, so it slows the journey a bit for us because this is our first cross-country trip, road trip we are doing. So European cars are a little different for us. So overall, we're liking this journey.
Time is now 2:30 and we have almost done 300 kilometers, and now it's time to switch the drivers. Shruti is going to drive from here, maybe rest of the journey. So we have parked our car somewhere near the windmill. Behind you can see the windmill which is actually working. And definitely it's a beautiful, amazing view here. So people, we are done with our break, and now Shruti is going to drive the next 250-300 kilometers. So let's go. So people, time is now 6:30 and we have reached Puttgarden, and it was an amazing drive of about 550 kilometers, and we have booked a hotel called Dania. Here we will have to take the car in a ferry called Scandlines cruise or ferry. Tonight we will stay in this hotel, and tomorrow we have booked a ticket in the cruise at 11:15 is our time. For tonight we will rest here, and we'll start to Copenhagen in the morning by around 11 o'clock. So let's go. Meanwhile, this is the room where we are staying, and also I can see the ships. It's just about a kilometer away maybe, so I can show you. You can see the ships here. Hello, namaskara. Today is our day 2 and today is July 31st, and right now time is 9:30. We had our breakfast here in the hotel. By 10:30 we will check out from the hotel and head towards the ferry point, and later we will park our car in the ferry and cross the sea. So we should reach Denmark soon. So let's go.
On the ferry line, so we arrived at the ferry point at around 10:30. At the entry of the ferry point there is a machine where you will have to enter details. If you have to buy the ticket, you can buy there. If you already have bought a ticket, you can just scan your ticket there. Or if there are a lot of people who have passes, they're even showing the pass and are able to come to the ferry line. So technically that is what you can do. So we had already purchased a ticket, so we just did ticket number, and this is what we got. You have to tell how many people you are, and then it just gives you a receipt which will let you to aboard the ferry. So we've got the ferry lane 5, and we are right now standing at it. Our ferry starts at 11:15. We have 45 minutes. We thought it's sufficient enough, but seeing the crowd, the cars here, I think we could have come a little early. But nevertheless, let's see when we start aboarding the ferry if we're still able to cope up with the time. Let's go. After 100 meters, take the ferry. Take the ferry.
ಹೇಗೆ ಇಳಿಯೋದು ಇದರಿಂದ? So we have parked the car here. We have now parked our car in the deck, and we have parked our car in the parking area, and now we are in the upper deck. So it's about a 45 minutes journey, and you can see a lot of people here with their pets too.
structured, organized ferry ride it was. Very well organized and well managed. Make sure when you're parking the car which block you're parking. But all in all, this was a 10 on 10 ferry ride. We didn't really think it would be so smooth, but it was definitely very smooth. I definitely would want to thank Scandlines for this wonderful ferry ride as part of our road trip. Everybody who is coming from Germany towards Denmark, my recommendation is do this ferry ride. Of course, there is a by road trail which is a little longer route, but you have a road trail. But I think this is something you shouldn't be missing. It's very simple process, no hassles, and we recommend everybody once should do this. So they'll do an announcement 5 minutes before our stop arrives. So you just have to go to the car, wherever your car is parked, whichever section, and go sit inside the car.